Hello, fabulous Fergie fourth graders. Here is our Journeys English Language Arts Lesson 23. So we'll begin with our vocabulary words as we do or have done all year long. Yep, this is our first online lesson, and we're going to try to make it as parallel or as similar as our routines were in class. So lesson 23 vocabulary words, we have resources, dense, evaporate, shallow. Now, if you'd like to, or actually what I would like you to do is write the definitions of each of these words on a piece of paper. And then I would like you to, yes, write 5 sentences for each word using each vocabulary word. And as we usually do, I would like you also to include adverbs and adjectives in your sentences. So we also have moisture, civilized, continent, opportunities, customs, and independent. So you know we have the sentences using the words in context, and we have the definitions right here. So you just click on the word. Here is the definition. So moisture is a noun, liquid as water that is present in the air or in the ground, or that forms tiny drops on a surface. I hope to also put our vocabulary cards on a separate slide so you can click on them and get the definitions there as well. So again, I would like you to write the definition and write 5 sentences for using each word. So this story, it's a great story actually. It's about the sequoia redwood trees that's right here in our backyard. The target skill is to be aware of all the graphic features of this story, as well as the text. This gives you a little preview of the topic. I'll let you read that on your own. And the genre or the type of story is informational text. And we've been doing a lot of exercises and practice with informational text. And the story is The Ever-Living Tree, the life and times of a coast redwood. It's a really neat story that compares the life of this old ancient tree to the historic times that were happening as this tree was growing. So one of the essential questions, or the essential question I would like you to think about as you're reading the story: how do forests and trees show change? So enjoy the story. I will have a comprehension test up on our Google Classroom. You may take that, or I would like you to take that. If you can't print it out, you can just write your answers on a piece of paper and I can look at that later. So enjoy The Ever-Living Tree.